Good afternoon. Michael Mazarang here again, and today I'd like to talk about industrial mold cleanings inside crawl spaces. If you're currently dealing with a home that has a crawl space moisture problem, and that's caused the development of biofilm manifestation on the floor system, we'd like to offer a two-step industrial cleaning process that not only saves time, but eliminates a lot of cost out of the cleaning process. The following video shows one of our customers down on the south side of Charlotte, and we were able to come in with the industrial cleaning approach that saved this customer a significant amount of money on the project. Please enjoy the video. As you can see from the video, the clearance inside this crawl space was limited. As a safety precaution, the ductwork was completely removed. This allowed good access to the work area for the work crew and allowed for the right environment for a good, thorough clean. The first stage of our process begins with the application of the OxyPrep stain removal. Notice even after a few seconds how quickly the staining begins to fade. Even the areas with the most advanced dark staining are restored to the original color of the wood. Even as good as that looks, we're still not quite done yet. There's still some residual soil load in the surface, such as mold, mildew, algae, dirt, and other biofilm contaminants. After one short minute, it's time to go to the second step, the neutralization of the biofilm contaminants with our OxyPar application. Neutralization with OxyPar does three important things. Number one, it forces the soil load to the surface for a deep, effective cleaning. Second, it protects the cells of the wood from cell damage by stopping the oxidative process. Third, it minimizes any lingering odors. Where you see the foam turning brown, soil load is moving to the surface. Without the neutralization process, the soil load would be left behind. After a quick wipe down with towels and rags, the final product is a surface that has been cleaned fast, cleaned effectively, and also cleaned correctly. Remember how dark the staining was at the start of the procedure? Not anymore. Clean fast, clean correctly, cleaned with a guarantee.